Hello friends, today I am going to tell or showing the demo how to use routing in Angular 4. In Angular 4 there is something different from Angular 2 in routing. So I am using Visual Studio Code to give the demo of routing. Here I have created a routing.ts file in which I have imported the module with providers from .NET Core, Angular Core, and I have also imported routes and router module from the Angular router. I am using Angular 4. You can see here in package.json. I am using Angular 4 4.4.4 for all, for routing as well as core form something like that. So in routing.ts, I have imported module with provider from Angular core, routes and router modules from Angular router. Also, I have imported the app components, which is the main component of the application. And also, I have created two components for two pages, like for search page and for login page. I have created two components: search component and login component. So now I am creating a constant routes variable. I am making it constant because I don't have to change in runtime or something. So and its type is of routes. So it takes array of this like JSON path. Path means slash something like slash search. It will use the component search component path login. It will use the component login component. Then after I am exporting the constant routing with type module with providers because I'm using it as a provider and router module for route and it's the constant routes and I'm here using the use hash true because I have to distinguish between the server side routing and the client side routing. So to distinguish between this I'm using this use hash true. So here I can show you where I have used in the app component, I have a user using the router outlet. The router outlet is which in which the routing page or template will be rendered in place of this router outlet. And in module.ts, I am importing the routing from the routing and I have imported is in the routing module as a module in the imports in ng module. So I am showing you the navigation.ts where I am using the navigation.html for routing in the view navigation.html. In this HTML you can see I have defined the router link for by default for the login for the search which I have defined in the routing.ts for the search and for the login. So when I will run this application, I have already run this and you can see I have by default it's going loading and it's come to home login search. I have three options. Home I have nothing to display here. Home I have nothing used in the routing.ts. There is nothing. I have commented this out so it's not using anything. So when I go to login, here you can see the login page has been arrived and you can see on the search the login has been arrived. Here you can see I have enabled the use hash true. So it's the hash is coming here. If I will not use the hash true, it will go to the server side to get to hit the API or something, and then there it will search like slash search API or something to get data. To so distinguish between both these, I am using hash to distinguish between both them. So it's the basic routing in Angular 4. Thanks for watching.